What's up, everyone? We're back with the vid, and I have not made a vid in a really long time, but I'm back making vids, and I'm gonna be showing y'all on how to make one of the best flying engines. So this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need this. No, this. Actually, I'm gonna just go step by step. So, if y'all don't own booms, y'all could use like a quiver. So, and since I own the brooms, I'm gonna just use brooms. And then y'all could add box fans or brooms to your invention.
Yo, RG, what's up, bro? Oh, you making another one? Nice.
I'm making I'm recording a vid after a while on how to make one of the best flying engines.
Oh, sweet, bro. That's nice. I'm surprised you're making it again.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it for a vid, and just so you all y'all know, I've actually been like making a lot of flying inventions.
What's up, everybody? And today, well, my friend RG here is making a flying device.
And y'all could either use brooms or box fans. Brooms,
yeah, give a big shout out to RG. Give a big shout out.
Y'all could use box fans.
Yep. Oh yeah, this video was sponsored by Fruit Blocks. Fruit Blocks on Roblox. It's a fun game. Me and my brother play it almost every day.
I have no idea what that is.
Oh, it's on Roblox. If you have Roblox. So RG, once you finish building this, can I try it out?
I'm on cooldown, but by the way, if y'all want like all to ride like another player to ride at once, just add saddles on your invention.
Yeah. Or you could just put a saddle on your back, so more people can fly on it. Oh gosh. I'm gonna see if it sticks on other players once they still. Oh dang, it doesn't.
Oh yeah, if you guys
I'm literally playing while my VR charges.
That's what I'm doing as well.
Oh my gosh.
But if y'all are like broke,
I just hit my bed.
If y'all are broke, I recommend going to the caves area to.
I am broke. Oh shoot. I am broke. I have 45 nuts.
I got 2 mil.
You have 2 mil? Oh my gosh.
I used to be broke
until I came into your life.
Until I found a method.
Yo, can I try this out?
I still have to make stuff.
Oh my gosh. Well, I'm spinning and I can't go around my cord. Oh yeah, if you want a VR for Christmas, just subscribe.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh, that's you're zooming. You're zooming. Jeez, that's better than your other one. Wait, can I try?
I still have to I still have to make this invention, so just don't like
Oh,
take it forever. Until your headset dies.
Yeah, how did you come up with the idea of building these inventions?
I just have my ways.
But every time I come in, every time I join you, you're just making a new invention. Oh, sorry. I'm trying to get the goop. I have some goop. I got some goop.
Oh, no, it worked.
Okay, sweet. Okay.
Just...
Well, I'm literally standing right next to my bed. Oh.
Side.
I already put I put some goo on right there. Right there. Right now I'm watching the Diary of a Wimpy Kid. That's what I'm watching. Oh! My hand! Jeez! I just hit my hand on the bed. Ah! Hold on, let's compare the speed. Let's compare the speed.
Oh.
Let's compare the speed.
Let's see.
3.
Not done.
2.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. It'll take me forever to get out.
I still have to add to my invention.
Whee!
I still have more to add to my invention.
Yeah. Well, and add a saddle. Add a saddle.
After I add all the brooms.
I have one broom in my hand. Oh! I still remember the other invention. But we went all the way to stage 5 and we tested it. Like literally tested it. Well, I did. He was just getting stuff ready. Remember the good idea that I had yesterday?
Oh, with the was it like a pet home?
Yeah, pet home, yeah. But I gave my pet to somebody else, sadly. But do you like Chubby a Snail? I literally have the hat. Chubby a Snail is the one that inspired me to get this game. And Toasty. I think I'm friends with Toasty.
Wait,
Yeah.
Actually?
No, I thought I was. Whee! Whee!
Oh.
If he was, and he was on right now, then I would join him. And every time he's on Animal Company, he makes an a video.
Hop on.
Yeah. Oh gosh.
Hop on my invention.
Oh my. Okay, come here, come here. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh my. I can't. How can you stay with me on? Hi. Oh, we're gonna crash. Oh my.
Oh, we just
Wait,
bumped-
can I try?
We just bumped into the.
Yo, can I try and you are on the saddle?
Let's go into the tech tree.
Oh yeah.
Hop
Fun.
off the saddle and then come back on. You're gonna have to get in there.
Yo. Yo, you made it in. Let's go.
Sadly, I have no research points.
Up,
so
up,
I can't
up.
unlock anything.
I have 0. I have the same amount that you do. Hold on. And never mind. Oh, when we should. Yo, can I drive and you on the saddle?
Yeah. Actually, wait, is it okay if I end the bit? I have to.
I mean, yeah. I just started.
Cause I
a vid.
can't make my vids too long for some reason. I don't know why. Wait, what if you,
I just started my vid.
What if you stay on the saddle? Alright, let's see.
Oh!
You're still on.
Yeah. Yo, can I drive?
Let's end the vid. That's gonna be the end of the vid, and
Yo,
I hope you all enjoyed.
Like and subscribe.